graduate high school, so I'm doing that.
I want you to just be quiet. Alright, 23C. We're going to call this extra practice on special products. We're going to do this first one together, then you're going to try it without me. Then we'll do another one together, then you're going to try it without me. Then we'll do another one together, and then you're going to try it without me. And then hopefully by then we got it. Because not everybody has got it. Alright, so the first thing we do is we square the first term. So if we square 6x, what do we get? 36x squared. Awesome. And remember, if you forgot what we do, we wrote down the notes in here. It tells us what to do. Alright, then we multiply 6x times 7 and we get 42. And then we multiply that by 2 and we get 84. And what's the last step that we do? Square 7, right? Square the last term. So 7 times 7 is?
No.
Okay. Now can you take what we just did here and try one without me?
Yes.
Do the same thing that we just did. If I end with 3 terms, how many terms should you end with?
3.
3. Sorry. Are we ready?
No. Got the answer?
We're not ready. All right, Bronson, tell me what you got.
56x squared.
No.
49x squared.
All right, what's the first term? You square 7x, right? What's 7 squared?
49.
49. So we have 49x squared. Okay.
12x.
How did you get 112?
1.8 times 8 times 2.
And you get 112x. Dylan, tell me the last term.
Plus 64.
Plus 64. Good. Take a point. Does everybody see how we got that? Did anybody get it right?
Oh, no.
I got the last 2 right.
Take a point.
I get everything right, but I miswrote the middle number and I wrote 128.
Oh, okay. But do you see what we should do next time? All right, Ravenclaw, how'd y'all do? Did y'all all get it right?
Yes.
Okay, take a point. Hufflepuff, did y'all all get it right?
I got the last 2 right.
Take a point. Did y'all all get it right? Okay. All right, let's try another one. Okay? Whoever's telling me, tell me.
144x squared plus 72x plus 9.
Take a point. How many of us got that right?
I got 864.
How did you get 864?
Squared. Cause like, I got 144.
Take a point if you got it right.
Right?
You did what?
144 times 3 and then times that by 2.
No. You do 12 times 3.
Oh, okay.
Then multiply that by 2.
Close enough though.
D'Angelo, did you get that one right?
Alright, so
Is that a yes or a no? Okay. Henry, did you get that one right? What happened? Every time you do that. What's happening on the middle part? Tell me. Did you look back at your notes? Did you look back at what we did before? Are you going to do that on the next one? Fantastic. Alright, una más with addition, and then we're going to do subtraction.
What if we don't want to?
okay, what you want to do?
One of you tell me. I don't care who.
Alright.
Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa.
168 plus 169.
100x squared plus what?
169.
Plus 169.
Plus 169.
How many of us got it right?
Dude, I got that.
Take a point. Henry, I'm so proud of you. Alright, we ready to do subtraction? Alright, do you do anything different on subtraction? But you just have a what sign to begin with? Alright, 5c minus 9 quantity squared. Do you want to do this one together?
No. Yes.
Go ahead, Austin.
You do the same thing, you just put a subtraction sign in the first term instead of addition. That's it. Ah! What happened?
Oh, no.
What are you doing, Miss Esther?
I don't know. Okay. I'm ready.
You ain't gonna help me?
25c squared minus 90c plus a1.
I got it right.
Good job. How many of us got it right? Take a point if your whole table got it right. Or if 4 people at your table got it right.
Just keep opening the school.
Why? A negative times a negative is a? Yep. But you still got the number right. Take a point. Alright, one more subtraction, and a female is going to answer me, and then we're moving on. Allie, you want to do this one? Yeah. Take it away.
196f squared minus 308f plus 121.
Fantastic. Take a point. How many of us got it right? If 4 people at your table got it right, take a point. Okay, are we ready to move on?
Yes.
We ready to learn the next step?
Yes.
It's super easy.
Is it multiplication or do we just add them? Or like distribute them? Like 2 equations by each other?
And you gotta, do all that, and then you gotta add them together, and you just get one together.
This one.
What? Do I have a lot of stuff to use, like a lot of...
Alright. So on this one, open this. This to me is the easiest one. When you have a plus b times a minus b. That means that the first 2 numbers are the same, the second 2 numbers are the same, but the signs in the middle are different. Okay? The first 2 numbers are the same, the second numbers are the same, but the signs in the middle are different. All you have to do for your answer is a squared minus b squared. Now, what other method do we know to use when we have 2 binomials that we multiply together? Starts with an F. No. Look on the previous page. FOIL. Hallelujah. You still need to know how to do that. So you could use FOIL, or if they're the same number, both of them are the same number, but they're just separated by different signs, all you have to do is square the first term. Then square the second term. This pen's dying. And then subtract.
What was that?
I don't know, people are just making weird noises, and I don't know what's happening. Are you ready?
See.
Okay, so let's look at what that'll look like in an actual problem. Do you see how we have the same first term? Do you see how we have the same second term?
Yes.
Do you see how they have different signs? That means that your answer is just going to be to square the first term. So if we square x, what do we get? Minus, if we square the last term, what do we get?
3y.
Nah, what's 3 squared?
9 squared.
9y squared. And we're done.
This is easier than the other one.
I know.
Even
Or
though
you
the
can
others
go
are
over it
easy.
one more time.
I will.
Oh, alright.
So, are you okay? Okay. So all you have to do is square the first term. So we squared x and we got x squared. Then we square the second term. We squared that and we got 9y squared, and then we subtract them and we're done. Alright, you ready to practice?
Yeah.
And we'll do our activity tomorrow and our quiz on Thursday. Alright, so we're going to call this example C.
Yeah.
Find each product. What does product mean?
Something.
Answer to a multiplication problem.
Good job, bro.
23 C's. Are we ready? Alright, the first one that we're going to do is we're going to do a baby problem. X plus 4 times x minus 4. Now, do we have the same first number?
Yes.
Do we have the same second term?
Yes.
Are they separated by different signs?
Yes.
Alright, so all we have to do is square x. So when we square x, what do we get? And then we square 4. When we square 4, what do we get?
8. Oh.
And then we subtract them, and we're done.
Wouldn't it be? Never mind. I thought 16 would be squared.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a variable in it, guys.
Remember.
Also.
Alright, ready for B? Alright, what if I say C plus D times C minus D? Alright, so we're going to square the first term. If we square C, what do we get? And if we square D, what do we get? And then we subtract them, and we're done.
My girl Miss Asbury.
Yes.
We have homework.
Alright, ready for the next one? You're going to need to watch the video from yesterday and the rest of the video today to catch up. Alright, what if I put 5x plus 2 times 5x minus 2?
Can Manny help me?
Do we have the same first term?
Yes.
Do we have the same second term? Are they separated by a plus and a minus? Okay. So what's 5x quantity squared? Alright, what's 2 squared? Then we subtract them.
Say, okay, this you probably know do this, but say they don't, have the same thing.
Then you would use FOIL.
I hate how you ask a good question, but then she answers it like you asked them.
I mean, it depends on.
Like I had a math teacher in 5th grade.
D.
And she made me feel like a complete.
That's not nice.
Well, it's not.
Why are you on your phone? I'll be sure to email Dad and let him know what you're doing in class.
Oh, I'm doing my work. I'm just doing one thing.
Try this one without me. I don't know where you're going because we're still working.
I already know the answer.
What'd we get?
190 squared minus 16.
Fantastic. Alright, no homework tonight, but we're going to do an activity tomorrow and a quiz on Thursday. You got to be ready.
Do you have